Guidepost lights are a great way to keep your boat lift lit and visible. They also make it much easier to center your boat on your lift. These solar-powered lights install easily and will help you keep your boat safe and centered for years to come. When you open your box of guidepost lights, you'll see the instructions and more information on our products. The next items you'll see are the guidepost lights themselves. The small bag in the box includes your switch tool and your setting screws. Before starting the installation process, screw off the top of the guidepost light. Use the switch tool included in the box to turn the switch to on. Then screw the top back on. Make sure the threads are lined up correctly to ensure the top is sealed. The next step is to place your guidepost light in your guidepost. To ensure the guidepost light will stay put, drill your setting screw about an inch below the top of the pipe. Be sure to drill it only far enough to lightly touch the guidepost light, not puncture it. Guidepost lights are meant to fit in 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipes on your boat lift. If the guideposts on your boat lift are a different size, you can use a simple PVC adapter to fit the size of your guideposts. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call at 941-244-2306 or shoot us an email at info@doklite.com.